to another video of old Rammer Girl right here. Yes, I call the old Rammer Girl. I don't know why I keep calling her old. She's not old, but it doesn't matter. I don't care what you guys tell me because I'm calling her old Rammer Girl. Maybe, I mean, I don't really like that name, so I'm probably gonna change the name. But today's video, this thing was under surgery for about 2 days with old Genesis Detailing over here. Go follow his YouTube channel also, guys. Official Genesis Detailing. He's giving or doing giveaways. He's doing good stuff. Ceramic coating. Yes, that's what we're doing today. So he started this truck on, I believe, when did we start? Thursday? Right? I don't even know. It's been so long. A couple days ago, basically. And today is Saturday. And he pretty much cut it, buffed it, polished it. Oh, no, actually, no, I'm sorry. First step was he clayed it. Because I hear that, oh, these things, you know, they're on a rail and the train and then this and the dust and the iron and blah blah and all this other crap that I've never heard of in my damn life. But well, so he ended up claying this thing, and I was like, all right, we're good. And then he said, no, let me put some Iron X or something, whatever it's called. What's it called? Iron X?
Iron X.
Iron X. So he said, let me put some Iron X to make sure. So I'm like, all right, whatever. You put your Iron X on. So if you guys saw my Instagram story, when he was spraying this like Iron X stuff all over the paint. And then all of a sudden, after probably 40 seconds, it started turning like purple. And it was showing like these dots, like all over the truck. And it was like leaking purple. And I guess that's all the iron from, I guess when this is on the railroads, the dust, whatever gets in the paint. And pretty much, thank goodness we did it because we're ceramic coating this. And you don't want to ceramic coat that stuff into the paint, because when we put the ceramic coating on, it's pretty much you're going to trap that stuff into the paint. What's going to happen in the long run, I don't know. I don't want to know. But when you do ceramic coat a vehicle, the paint has to be flat because your paint has a lot of pores in it. It's not flat. It's not perfect. It's not straight. For more info on this, like I said, go follow his channel. I don't know anything about this stuff. I'm not a
video as well.
Yeah, he's vlogging right now, so I don't know much about, you know, the detail stuff, but what I have learned today is it's incredible, and the lights that he has, the 400 buffers that he has, you know, to get in between like the cab lights in there, to get like under that camera or where the mirror is over there. It's pretty incredible. So pretty much, you know, what he did is flatten this thing out, made it, you know, perfect, but now the pores of the paint are all exposed. So he's going to use this stuff right here, G-Tech. It is a 9H. It is, I guess that's the highest of the highest.
We have a 10H that I will be getting in September. So.
Oh, so what? We got to strip all this and.
No, we're layering yours.
Oh yeah, that's another thing.
Top coat.
That's another thing. So we're putting this on, but we're gonna put another coat. It's called the top coat, and I guess this this thing's not even focusing. There you go, so you guys can see what it is. And I guess it's supposed to make it even more durable, more shiny, just mo better pretty much at the end of the day. But I mean, look at this. So this thing, I don't know if you guys remember, it wasn't bad, but it had minor scratches in the paint, minor swirls that were, I should say dealer installed. And you can see Big Lou's truck also on his channel, what he did to Big Lou's truck. But I mean, you see how, you know, when you look into a light, it's just like glass. You don't see no swirls, no scratches, just nothing. It looks pretty much like a white piece of glass. I mean, look at this. It's incredible. That's just, whoo, just pops. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that. And so now he's getting his towels ready. He's going to start wiping this stuff on it with like a little spongy looking thing. Oh, he's got a panel prep.
Guys, also, these towels, the Rag Company towels. If you want to get by the towels, use discount code Genesis10, 10% off your order.
Whoa, really?
Yes.
Really. Oh, I was not aware. Okay, I'm going to get some. So,
no, they're amazing.
Because I know a lot of you guys out there, when I was talking about towels, you guys, because I'm not a fan, you guys know the Kirkland towels. They're nice, you know, just a quick little wipe down. But, I mean, they're for stuff like this I wouldn't use it. A lot of you guys mentioned Rag Company. All you guys told me Rag Company, Rag Company, Rag Company. So if you are interested, go use, what is it?
Genesis 10.
Genesis 10 to get a 10, I assume 10% off? 10% off any towels or specific towels?
Store-wide.
Store-wide.
They do everything. It's 10% off your order.
Wow. Okay. There you go. Shit, I didn't know that. I'm gonna use that. Genesis 10. You guys will see it. I'll spell it for you right there. Bam, there it is. Genesis 10. So yeah, go use that code if you guys want a discount on any of the rag towels or whatever else they have in the store, or the rag company.
The Rag Company.
What is it? What's the website called?
TheRagCompany.com.
The rag?
The.
Oh, the ragcompany.com. Okay. I mean, you can just Google rag company. I'm sure it'll pop up, but you guys can figure it out from there.
They sell shop towels and stuff. We just go to towel, not just detailing. So.
Oh, okay. Oh, and also for you guys that were telling me, you know, to lay off of Steve and the other shop, get out of their face. Guess what? I'm gonna get all up in their face, even in him. I'm gonna be riding his ass.
Start recording right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna be right. He's gonna be right here, and I'm gonna be on his ass like this. So if you guys don't like it, you can suck it and stop watching the damn video. Go ahead. I will let you start your ceramic coat.
We gotta prime this pad real quick. So we're gonna put more than one, just a little squirt. Put 3.
Oh, okay.
First one done.
A little squirty there, huh? You're a squirter?
No.
Oh, okay. Damn, look at that. It's like he's going under surgery.
All right, 3.
That's a lot of.
It's the initial. We want to prime the pad. So.
Oh. You don't just have like a button, like a carburetor. You just no. Oh, okay. All right. Wait, did you spray first? Oh, okay. I'm just doing that to drive everybody nuts. I'm gonna do this whole video, just drive them nuts. Now, how do you know you applied it perfect? Like I think you missed a spot right here.
Don't miss.
Oh, he don't miss. Okay.
So here's what we're gonna do.
All right. What are we doing, pal?
Put down that first little coat, right?
Okay.
Go back. And we're gonna put one more line.
Okay.
Now here's our initial, the main one.
Oh, so that didn't count.
No, that was just to spread it into the pad.
Okay.
So boom, one line, you know, work it down. Straight lines, only straight lines.
Now, I thought you're supposed to go like this way and...
You're in a crosshatch, so yes. Yeah. Right now I'm just trying to spread the product into it evenly so we can get a nice even coat.
That's another question, is how do you even know this is prepped hold on.
Evenly?
Yeah, prepped evenly.
So the way the coating works is when there's high spots and you buff it off, it'll level itself out. It's self-leveling, basically.
So wait, so when you put this on, you gotta buff it again?
Not buff it, you'll wipe it off with your towel. Like you said, the 3 towel method.
Oh, 3 towel method, okay.
Now that it's applied, bring the light here.
Okay.
And
that's it?
The directions saying to wipe it off right away. I was told by G Technique themselves to let it sweat, meaning let it be on there for at least a minute or 2, less, or you gotta watch it, depending on the room temperature. But it'll start to separate, and you can see that.
So you're saying I should turn the AC off in here?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
This room's single again.
No.
So, keep an eye on it, let it sweat, and you'll see when it sweats, then you wipe it off.
All right, let it sweat. All right, well, I'm not going to get much into this video, guys. Go to his channel, and you can see this whole shebang about what's going on here. But I just wanted to let you guys know because you guys are asking what's going on with the new truck. And then also, stay tuned. I am going to tell you guys I have picked a lift. I have picked airbags. I picked a lot of stuff for this. But also, before I do anything, I do want to do a lot of tests with this truck first. But I'll let you guys know in the next couple videos, probably very soon, what I'm going to end up doing with this thing. Hey, you missed the bottom here. You missed a little bit in there. It didn't look like it was even when you stuck it. Like,
this one's gonna leave.
Wait, wasn't even look like.
When I camera shut off, like he was actually annoying.
Yeah. Oh no, this is real life.
You're not closing this too.
Oh. Oh man, this guy. You better watch this guy. I don't know.
I'll be here all fucking day with this guy by my side.
Let me see here. Let's watch him. Let me see.
Get out of the light.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. How is it? Good? Woo! So he did finish this side, guys.
Bottle behind you.
What?
Under your feet.
Oh shit. Let me move out of the way because he only has one of those. so he only has one left. So if we drop that, well, we're screwed. This is behind the scenes for you guys right here of the official Genesis Detailing's YouTube life. Look at that. Give you guys a little close up over here. Hey, are you done yet? No? Oh, okay. Well, let me know when you're done. Hey! How you doing?
Alright, so we have the straight cutting on the applicator pad. We're gonna go one straight line first.
One straight line first, guys.
Then you'll work it back and forth.
Alright guys, so after 3 days, a lot of man hours, labor, time, product, this thing is finally, officially done. Well, actually, almost. he didn't have the stuff for the windows, so I ordered the stuff for the glass. I don't know if it's a ceramic or what it is, but he ordered it. So we're gonna do the glass next, all the glass windows, and then we ordered a top coat that's coming in Friday for this thing. That's going to be the next layer we put on this, but the main layer that to protect it and to fill all the pores is done. The ceramic portion of this is all done, but it's finally, you know, actually cured. It's been the 24-hour mark, so now it's, you know, safe to dry. The stuff has hardened. It's been at room temperature, you know, for days. Let me see, because they say the best if it's anywhere between I believe 72 to 76. So we left the AC on in the garage. Outside, yeah, so outside it's 92. In here it's been about 74 to 75, and hopefully, you know, it's cured, it's good, and this thing is done, protected, ready to go. Also, if you're gonna ask, ceramic coating on the clear bra, no, we did not put ceramic coat on here. The clear bra, they said you don't really need ceramic coating on it, just put wax to protect the clear bra that's on there. Same goes for the headlights that have the clear bra on there, just put wax on it to complete that process. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't forget to click subscribe. Peace!
Yeah.